Hey, what is up? My name is Derek Sanderson, and I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, coming at you from the Chico, California area. Every Monday, I take a few minutes and look at what's going on with the residential housing market here in Chico. So without further ado, let's go. So let's dive in for Monday, June 7th. So as of about noon, we have 142 active homes on the market here in Chico with 91 that are under contract. And for those 142 active listings, the median list price is coming in at just over $593,000. And an average days on market ticked up a few days to 71 days. Okay, taking a step back and looking at what's going on in the last 7 days here in Chico. We had 26 new listings hit the market, 31 have gone under contract. We've had 19 price reductions and 19 homes close. Now, looking at the last 30 days, we've got some interesting stuff going on here. We had 82 homes sell in the last 30 days. That is up almost 25% from the same 30-day period in 2023. Now, for those 82 homes, they were on the market for an average of 31 days, which is also up almost 30%. So we had more homes sell, and the average days on market also went up. But also what went up is the median list price by a nominal 1%. However, if you tuned in last week, if not, I want to encourage you to go back. We saw a pretty big dip in the median sales price when we looked at these numbers last week. This week, we rebounded at just over 3.5% higher at $465,000. Now, check this interesting fact out. For these 82 homes that sold, 45% of those homes sold for under asking. That is just mind-blowing. Almost half the homes that sold for under asking. And 13% of the homes of these 82 sold for the exact price they went on the market. So just some interesting facts. Like I said, I think this is the new trend where we are going to see a very large segment of the market that sold actually being sold for less than what it was listed at. And interest rates. So total disclaimer, I am not a loan officer or a mortgage professional. All this data is taken from mortgagenewsdaily.com. So as of today, we are at just over 7%. Now check this out. This is the last 6 business days. I want to point something out to you. Look at that. On June 13th, we were actually, for a moment in time, our interest rates were lower than they were last year. Again, we have been bumping between 25 basis points and 10 basis points higher than last year. But with the news that came out from the Fed, with no rate cuts going on anytime in the near future, this number is going to stabilize. And I just wanted to show you this. Again, on the 13th of June, it was 6.97. That was lower than it was on the 13th of June last year by 1 basis point. This is our new normal. I will continue to say it. Interest rates between 6.75 and 7.5. That is our new normal. And every Monday I post a motivational quote, and this is this week's by David Gogan. You are in danger of living a life so comfortable and soft that you will die without ever realizing your true potential. At the end of the day, this is what this quote means to me. The moment that I enter into the comfortability zone, I enter into the complacency zone. And anytime we enter into comfortability and complacency, we step into a place where we are no longer challenged and or moving forward. Complacency is the biggest dream killer there is. So I want to encourage you and challenge you. Look at the different areas of your life, spiritually, relationally, health, financial, all these areas, and begin to ask yourself, in those areas, am I comfortable? And if I'm comfortable, have I become complacent? Because if either of those are true, you are absolutely in danger of dying without realizing your true potential. Realizing doesn't mean just the idea of your true potential. Realizing also is actually manifesting and walking into your true potential. That's all I got for you for this week's market update. I hope you have a fantastic week. And hey, do me a big favor. Can you like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video? That way more people see it, and that way you will be notified every time we release a new video. Have a great week.